Welcome back to R for Economics. In this set of videos, we're going to be looking at zoo and XTS packages. These are for dealing with time series and having dates attached to your data. So I've installed the packages in our libraries for each of these. Now here we're going to define some dates. So the date, and we need to have it specified as a date file. We're going to use 2003, second month, and then these are the days that we're going to be looking at. And they're irregularly spaced with a separator of a dash. As you can see, this is how they come out. Okay, and we can set up ones that are equally spaced once every week, starting on the 15th. And then we have Z and W as well. So since we have 5 observations, we're going to set up a variable which is 5 observations long, so it's easier to look at. Now we can turn this into a zoo object just by defining it as X as a zoo. And we can see what that looks like. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the index that it's using is just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Another way to do it, if we already have an object that we can turn it into a zoo object, is by using as zoo, which will give the exact same thing. Now, if we want to attach dates to this, so now we've got these dates, 1st, 3rd, 7th, 9th, and 24th. And when we run the plot, we can see that 1st, 3rd, 7th, 9th, and then the 24th way out here. So you can see how that looks different. Now, when we're doing a zoo object, we don't need to just have an object and then turn it into using the index function. We can actually define it at the same time, where we say order by, and then use the dates. And this will give the same results as we had before. Now, if we want sequential dates that are equally distanced, equally spaced, and here you can see that this is each week for 5 weeks. Now, if we want multiple things, now note here that there's a 797, and for this one there's a 779. One is unsorted, so Z is unsorted and W is sorted in order. Now, when we try for a zoo object to give it non-sequential dates, it says, oh, you need to have this sorted, which is why I did the W one. And as we can see, it's now a sorted data set. And we can see that the 7th February has 2 observations in it. XTS is similar to a zoo. In fact, it extends the zoo functions a little bit further. Creating it is the same as what we had before, where we can define the dates. In this one, the dates must be specified. So just like we had up here in line 27, this one we have to have the dates specified. But we can, if we don't have any particular dates and we just need some, we can give it as date on the index, and it will start it at January 1970 and continue on from there each day. For this one, where line 35 failed, this one can actually work without problem because it can handle having two dates the same. If we want to get the index back, we can recover that. And here we can see that the XTS index is differently defined than the zoo index. So the zoo index is just a series of dates. This one is defining it in terms of much more detail, indicating the extension to the zoo object. Great, and we'll see you in the next video.